Dear student, in last lecture I have given you the list of the numericals on current electricity. Now let us see the first numerical. Here the two cells of EMF 4 volt and 1 volt having internal resistance 1 ohm, they are connected in parallel such that like pole together, positive connected to positive, negative connected to negative, and this combination is connected to the external resistance of 2 ohm. And here our aim is what will be the current flowing to the external resistance. That is, we have to calculate I is equal to I1 plus I2. Now here there are two loops. Now let us consider the loop A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Now applying the Kirchhoff voltage law to the closed loop A, B, C, D, E, F, A, that is the summation of E plus summation of IR is equal to 0. Now here let us consider loop A to B. Now this EMF, now this EMF, it delivers the current from positive terminal to the negative terminal directly, hence it is taken as negative. Which EMF is positive? When it delivers the current from positive to negative, it is positive, and it delivers the current positive to negative, hence it is negative. Hence it is minus 4. Now here from A to B, the current flowing, I1 is the current flowing through I1 in the opposite sense of circuit. Hence that product is taken as positive, that is I1 into R1 plus 2 times here the circuit B, C, D, E, and the current flowing opposite sense of circuit, hence this product is positive, that is 2 into I1 plus I2 is equal to 0, and there on this side it becomes positive, therefore 2 I1 plus I1, 3 I1 plus 2 I2 is equal to 4, and therefore this is the first kinematical equation. Now let's see the second, applying the Kirchhoff voltage law to the second loop F, C, D, E, F. Now the circuit plays from F to C, and therefore this EMF delivers the current from positive terminal to negative, hence it is negative, that is minus 1, and therefore F to C, the circuit from F to C, current flowing in opposite direction, hence that product is positive, I1 into I2, and the circuit flows from C, D, E. Current is flowing opposite sense of the circuit, hence that product is positive again, 2 times I1 plus I2 is equal to 0, and hence we have the equation 2I1 plus 3I2 is equal to 1, and therefore these are the two simultaneous equations, and we have seen how to solve these two simultaneous equations in last lecture, and therefore by solving this, multiplying equation 1 by 2 and multiplying equation 2 by 3, and therefore we can eliminate I1 and I2 here, I1, I2, and therefore adding this we get the values of I1 as minus 1 ampere and I2 as 2 ampere, and therefore total current flowing through this branch ED is say I1 plus I2 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 ampere. This is the current flowing to the external place, and this is one of the important example for 4 marks. Now let us see the second numerical in your exercise. Now here the EMF of cell of 2 volt and having internal resistance of 10 ohm is connected across the voltmeter which having resistance 30 ohm, and therefore this device having a resistance are connected across the cell, and therefore we can prepare this is the closed loop, and this is the closed loop, and they are applying the Ohm's law for the closed loop. Just we have seen in last lecture, I is equal to E upon R plus R, and therefore we have here which is equal to E, that is 2 upon R, 30 plus 40, 30 plus 10, that is 40, and therefore this is 1 upon 20 ampere. This is the current flowing through this loop. Our aim is what will be the voltmeter reading? What will be the voltmeter reading? That is the potential difference across these two terminals, and therefore V is equal to I into R. This will be the voltmeter reading, that is I, this is 1 upon 20 multiplied by R, the resistance of voltage is 30, and therefore 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5, and therefore this is the voltmeter reading, that is 1.5 volt. This is the second exercise. Now let us see the third exercise. Now this is one of the multiple choice question which is given in the exercise of current electricity. That is the problem number 4 in multiple choice question, and therefore here the 4 resistances 10 ohm, 10 ohm and 10 ohm and 15 ohm, they forming a bridge. They forming a bridge like this: R1, R2, R3 and R4. They forming a bridge. And what is our question? What will be the shunt resistance which is connected in parallel with the 15 ohm resistance in order to balance the bridge? And then we have to calculate the value of shunt which is connected across the resistance R4. And therefore under the balance condition we have seen the balancing condition of bridge, then R1 upon R2 is equal to R3 upon that parallel combination Rp. Hence we have R1 upon R2 is equal to R3 upon R2. Now putting the value, R1 is 10, R2 is 10, R3 is 10, and there we have to calculate the Rp. Therefore 10 upon 10 is equal to 10 upon Rp. And here Rp is equal to what? Therefore Rp is equal to 1 is equal to 10 upon Rp. Rp is equal to 10 ohm. But for parallel combination, what is the resultant resistance for the parallel combination? The 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R4 plus 1 upon S, and that is equal to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon S, and therefore it is 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 50 is equal to 1 upon S, and finally S is equal to 1 upon S is equal to 1 upon 30, and therefore S is equal to 30 ohm, and therefore there 30 ohm resistance connected in parallel with the resistance 15 ohm in order to balance the bridge. And therefore this is the how by using the balancing condition we can find the value of the shunt resistance. Now this is the third example in your exercise. Now let us see the next one, example number 4. Now in your exercise, the example number 4 is to find the resistance of the gold bangle which is two diametrically opposite points of the bangle are connected to the two terminals of the left gap of middle bridge, and resistance of 4 ohm is connected in the right gap. What will be the resistance of the bangle if the null point is obtained at 20 cm from the left end? Here we have to calculate the resistance of the circular bangle. Now this is the Wheatstone meter bridge, this is the bangle, circular bangle, and these are the two diametrically opposite point AB, and therefore it divides this bangle into two halves, and therefore one half having resistance X, both are equal, and these two they are connected to the left end of the middle bridge. Now this is the central point of the middle bridge. In next gap a resistance is connected, that is of resistance of 4 ohm is connected here in the right gap, and this is in left gap. Now this is the meter bridge. That is DC. Now this is the central point C, which is connected to the galvanometer, and galvanometer connected to jockey, and therefore here the null point is obtained at 20 cm from the left gap. Therefore this distance is say Lx, and this distance is say Lr, and the null point is obtained 20 centimeter from the left end, means Lx is equal to say 20 centimeter, and remaining Lr is equal to what? 100 minus 20, that is equal to 80 centimeter, and therefore Lx is 20 and Lr is equal to 80 centimeter, and therefore these bangles are connected to the two diametrically point A and B, so that two halves are created, one half having resistance X and another having X, and therefore they are connected in parallel combination, and therefore they forming a parallel combination, that is XP. This is X, and under the balance condition of the middle beam, we have XP upon this resistance say R is equal to say Lx upon Lr. XP upon R is equal to Lx upon Lr, and therefore we have XP is equal to say Lx R into Lx upon Lr, and therefore R is say 4 ohm and Lx is say 20 divided by 8. Therefore this will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled, and therefore XP is equal to say 1, and this is the value of XP, which is 1, and therefore what is the parallel combination here? And therefore we have XP is equal to what? X1 X2 upon X1 plus X2. This is the parallel combination, and therefore what is X1 X2? Both are same, XX, and therefore it is X square divided by X plus X, that is 2X, and that is equal to say 1, and therefore 1X will get cancelled, and therefore X is equal to say 2 ohm, 1X, and the one half having resistance 2 ohm, and total resistance of this circular bangle is say X is equal to X1 plus X2, that is 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4 ohm, and the resistance of this circular bangle will be 4 ohm. This is one of the answer of the 4 exercise. Here the resistance of bangle is say 4 ohm. This is one of the example. Now the